Imagine this. You open your banking app, and the balance makes you flinch. Not because it's good, but because it's lower than you thought. Again, you swear you were saving, you were trying. You even watched a few finance videos last week. But somehow, the money just vanished. Another month, gone. No investment, no backup plan, just vibes and survival. Sound familiar? Now here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another book. You need to manipulate yourself into becoming the kind of person who builds wealth without effort. Let's rewire your brain, step by step. Note them down and follow them religiously if you really want this life of yours to change. If you're not serious, this video is not for you. Part 1. Identity hacking. Saying I want to be rich is like whispering in traffic. It doesn't stick. But saying I'm the kind of person who builds wealth every single day, that hits different. That reprograms your actions. So even if you're broke, start saying it. I invest. I multiply. I build. Why? Because your brain wants to match your words. And when identity changes, behavior follows. You're not faking it. You're installing a new operating system. Do it with intention. Part 2. Systems over willpower. Let's get real. Motivation is garbage after a bad day. You come home tired, frustrated, maybe a little defeated. You're not going to sit down and calculate your investment options. You're going to binge YouTube and order food. Therefore, remove the decision. Set up auto-invest. The moment money hits your account, 20% disappears, like magic. Not optional, not visible, not touchable. Because if you don't touch it, you don't sabotage it. And that's how rich people win. They don't rely on energy. They rely on systems. Part 3. Jealousy as intel. You ever see someone on Instagram or YouTube making crazy money, living the life you know you want, and instead of feeling inspired, you feel tight? That's envy. But here's the twist. Envy is a flashlight. It's pointing directly at what you should be doing. Don't scroll past it. Study it. Ask, what skill are they using that I'm avoiding? What move did they make that I've been scared to try? Therefore, if you chase your envy, you'll find your next move. Most people numb it. You'll use it as fuel. Part 4. Gamify the money loop. Let's not pretend we're all dopamine junkies. Scroll, tap, like, repeat. So here's the play. Turn money into a dopamine loop. Build a tracker. Set up visual progress. Celebrate when you hit small goals. Checking your portfolio should feel as good as checking notifications. Why? Because if you can get addicted to making money the way you're addicted to scrolling, you'll never have to push yourself again. You'll crave progress. Part 5. Time trap future you. You ever tell yourself, I'll figure it out next week? I just need to be in the right headspace? Yeah. Future you, they're a liar. So manipulate them. Put the important stuff on your calendar. Side hustle grind, Friday at 7 p.m. Research investment, Sunday, no excuses. Treat it like a dentist appointment, because if it's not blocked out, it won't happen. You don't need more time. You need fewer escape routes. Part 6. Make it public. Here's a hack. Announce your goals before you're ready. Tell your friends you're starting something. Post a date. Set a deadline, even if it scares you. Now, you're not just accountable to yourself. You're accountable to people watching. And your brain hates looking stupid. Therefore, you'll show up. You'll hustle. You'll execute. Not just for the goal, but for your pride. Leverage it. But if you still don't feel like it, stop watching this video and go build your self-esteem. Final thought. So here's the truth. If you want to be rich, stop trying to feel inspired. Manipulate yourself. Rig your life. Hack your identity. Use your own psychology as a weapon, because your brain will work for you or against you, and you get to choose. This next 18-second video has the 5 points that you need to keep in mind always. Watch it, learn it, and follow them by heart.